Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool. Today we're going to talk all about fall, lots of fall things. All right, so friends, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to do circle time first and say good morning to each other. Then Miss Jessica's going to tell a little story about an acorn and a squirrel. Then we're going to sing a song about some leaves falling down. I'm going to show you something that you can try at your house, and then the goodbye song. Okay, friends, so let's start here, and we're going to sing good morning to each other. So get your hands ready. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so glad you're here today. All right, circle time's all done, so I'm going to take this down. And now Miss Jessica has a story about a squirrel, oh boy, and some acorns. Let's count and see how many acorns I have. Here we go. 1, 2, oh boy, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, I have 5 acorns. Now friends, some trees grow acorns and they kind of look like this. These are paper acorns, but this is looks like a real acorn, and they drop off of the tree around this time of the year. It's fall, and so this is when the acorns sometimes drop off the tree. So my song is called 5 Little Acorns. Can you hold up 5 fingers? And I'm going to use my acorns. 5 little acorns sitting in a tree. Along came Mr. Squirrel, as hungry as could be. Though fall winds blew and rustled all the leaves, down came an acorn. Oh, let's take this one off. Whoa, it came down. Mr. Squirrel was pleased. He was happy because squirrels like to eat acorns. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my goodness, friends. But now look at how many are in the tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's only 4. So you show me 4 fingers. Good. 4 little acorns sitting in a tree. Along came Mr. Squirrel, as hungry as could be. Then the fall winds blew and rustled all the leaves. Down came an acorn. Mr. Squirrel was pleased. Oh, he's so happy. All right. Uh-oh, we lost one. So now we only have 3. Show me 3 fingers. Good. 3 little acorns sitting in a tree. Along came Mr. Squirrel, as hungry as could be. Then the fall winds blew and rustled all the leaves. Down came an acorn. Shoop. Mr. Squirrel was pleased. Oh, he's going to eat them. Num, 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 num. He ate the number 3 one. Oh, no. Now there's only 2. Can you hold up 2 fingers? Good. 2 little acorns sitting in a tree. Along came Mr. Squirrel, as hungry as could be. Then the fall winds blew and rustled all the leaves. Down came an acorn. And Mr. Squirrel was pleased. He's going to eat the number 2 acorn. Num, 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 num. Oh, and now we only have 1 more left. Can you show me 1 finger? Good. 1 little acorn sitting in the tree. Along came Mr. Squirrel, as hungry as could be. The fall winds blew and rustled all the leaves, and down came an acorn. Mr. Squirrel was pleased. Oh boy, Mr. Squirrel gets all the acorns that blew down. All right, friends, that was our story for today. So I'm going to take that down, and now I have a song about some leaves, because acorns are falling down off of the trees, but there's something else that's falling off of the trees right now too, and that's these. Leaves are falling down too. So this is how my song goes. The leaves on the trees turn orange and red, orange and red, orange and red. The leaves on the trees turn orange and red all through the town. The leaves on the trees come tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down. The leaves on the trees come tumbling down all through the town. The leaves on the ground go swish, 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 swish. The leaves on the ground go swish, swish, swish all through the town. Oh, that's one of my favorite fall songs. All right, friends, the song is all done. So I'm going to show you an activity that you can try at your house. Now, all I did was I found some pictures of leaves, all different colors, and I clipped them to a little bag. So friends, tell me what color this leaf is. Yellow, good. And what color is this one? Red, good. And what color is this one? Green, good. After I made the bags, I went on a little walk. I went with my dog actually, and I started looking for some leaves that had fallen down and were laying on the ground. And I started picking them up and putting them in my pocket. Let me show you what I found. Oh, I found this really, really pretty one. What color is this leaf? Oh, did you say red? Yes. So I'm going to put it in this bag because it is a red leaf. I also found a leaf that looks like this. It's kind of crumpled up, but you can kind of see the color. What color is it? Yellow. So I'm going to put it in this bag. It's a yellow leaf. All right, and then I found this one. Ooh, what color is this leaf? Green. So I'm going to put it in the green bag. So friends, that's something fun that you can do, and it's going to be really nice here today, one of the probably last days that it's going to feel really warm out. So today would be a great day to go outside and pick up some leaves and sort them in bags. All right, so that is our special activity today. And so now let's sing the goodbye song. See you later, alligator, after a while, crocodile, in an hour, sunflower, maybe two, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippo, chow, chow, brown cow, see you soon, baboon, adieu, cockatoo, better swish, jellyfish, chop, chop, lollipop, gotta run, skeleton, bye, bye, butterfly, better shake, rattlesnake, our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends, we'll see you next time.